Hello my dear friends, today in this video we will learn how to create groups in Tableau. The objective of this exercise is to learn to create groups and sets. The dataset that we are going to use in this tutorial will be from several startups ranging from year 1999 to year 2014. Starting with the step 1 of the tutorial, we will import the data from the Excel file. So go click on Microsoft Excel, locate the folder where you have already stored your data. We have our data named as startup data. Click open. Importing your data is a very simple method. Now under the sheets you will find the name of the two sheets that we have in the Excel file. One is financial data, other is the overview. If you look at your dataset in your Excel, you will also find the two sheets there. Now you can choose the sheet on which you want to create the visualization. You can choose both sheets too. In this case of selecting both sheets, a join will be created based on the columns in the sheets. For this exercise, we will select both the sheets. To select these sheets, we will drag them to the area labeled with the text drag tables here. Let's first drag overview to the mentioned space. Then from down arrow on overview, click on open and then drag the financial data. We can notice a join is created by itself. If you click on join, you can find the type of join created for the dataset. You can change the type of the join to left, right, full outer. We have 4 options possible here. You can check your appropriate option. Let's click on the sheet 1 to create a new sheet to develop our visualization. This creates a new sheet for us to work upon. Let's drag years founded to columns and overviews to rows. Year founded to columns and count of overviews, count number of employees to rows. We can see that Tableau has created a line graph for us. However, we intend to change it to a bar graph. For this, we have to look for marks and select bar in the drop down. After this, we find a bar chart that has been created for us from Tableau. We can look at the chart closely and we can easily see that we have very few companies starting from year 1999 till the year before the year 2009. In this step, we will try to group those years. To do so, we click on 99 in the bar chart and click till 2008 one by one. Right click and group. Now we can see that Tableau has created a new group which is named as year founded. What we need to do, we will give a few properties and edit the group. Let's uncheck include other and rename the group as 2008 and before. Let's apply and click on OK. Let's remove this previously year founded from the columns and add our new 2008 and before created. Now we can see a beautiful visualization on our Tableau dashboard. So here we have learned to create groups in Tableau. In step 2 we will learn a different approach to create groups. Let's open a new worksheet by clicking on the below icon to create a worksheet in the screenshot. Let's drag industry segments to rows and number of employees counts to columns. Now we can see that the default aggregation for number of employees is sum, so we have to number of employees is sum, we have to change it to average, which let's number of employees to label. Let's click on sorting button. This sorts the data in ascending order. Now right click on the industry segment under dimensions and create and then group. Right click on the industry segments and create new group. We can see a pop-up window where we can select the different industry segments and group to create a new group. Let's select computer hardware, IT services, and software, and click on the group button. Now you can see that a new group is created. Let's rename the new group to information technology. Click on apply and then OK. So here we have understood a new way to create groups, and we can see that our information technology has been created, and we can find it somewhere in yeah, here it is, information technology. Let's drag number of employees to label, and this it is. Yes. Now coming towards the third step of our tutorial is we will learn how to create sets. Sets are different from groups. In groups, we merge the metadata of the data sets, but in sets, we just club together similar kinds of data. There is no change in the metadata of the data set. Duplicate the sheet you just created. To do so, right click on the sheet name and select duplicate. You can just come here, right click duplicate. We just have to remove the industry segments from the rows field and put back the industry segments. You can notice that we are able to see the three industries which were grouped together earlier in the previous sheet. Let's sort our chart in descending order. Let's again do this. Now using those three industries, we will create a set. Select computer hardware, IT services, and software. From the chart, let's hover for a while. You can see the two circles. Let's create set. Let's give it a name, IT set, and click on OK. We can see the new set is created on the left side under dimensions. Let's drag this IT set to color under marks. We can see that the industries under the IT set has different color, and the industries that are outside it has different color. We can change the color of the sets too. We just have to come here, click this little arrow, edit colors. Let's give orange for in and pink for out. Let's apply. Okay. You can see a beautiful visualization which has contrasting colors, pink and orange, and it looks beautiful. For in, select orange and out, and then yeah. So my dear friends, this was the tutorial for today where we learned how to create groups and how to create sets in Tableau, where we have also learned that in groups we have metadata of the data combined. However, in sets it is only the appearance of the data that is being combined. Thank you so much. I have a small question for you. If you are watching this video, then you can also have a look on the data and comment below what other combinations that you can create from the given industry. Suppose for example you say you have financial services and you want to club suppose let's say software, maybe you can say fintech or other services like let's say you have insurance and you want to connect it with health, and you want to say it health and insurance. So it's up to you. Let's see what you guys have to comment. Thank you so much.